Welcome to today's tutorial, where we are diving deep into typography design. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to kern your text in Inkscape to create professional, perfectly balanced lettering for your projects. Kerning is the secret weapon for making your designs look clean and polished, and Inkscape makes the process incredibly efficient if you know the right shortcuts. If you find this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more design tutorials. First off, let's get our workspace ready. Grab your text tool by pressing the T key or F8 on your keyboard. Then simply click anywhere on your canvas to select the existing text you want to work on. Once your text is active, you are ready to adjust the character spacing. To start with manual horizontal kerning, place your text cursor right between the two letters you want to adjust. Hold down the Alt key and use your left or right arrow keys to nudge the characters closer together or further apart. If you need to cover more distance quickly, just hold Shift plus Alt while using the arrow keys to perform these movements 10 times faster. Sometimes horizontal movement isn't quite enough for your layout. You can also perform a vertical baseline shift by placing your cursor before the specific letter you want to move. Keep holding Alt and use your up or down arrow keys to drift that letter vertically. You can even get creative with character rotation by placing your cursor before a character, holding Alt, and using the bracket keys. The left bracket will rotate your letter to the left, and the right bracket shifts it to the right. Now, if you need a more uniform change across your whole block of text, you can use the global spacing panel. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to open up the text and font window. Navigate over to the Spacing tab, and here you can adjust the letter spacing value precisely. This is perfect for when you want a consistent look across a full word or sentence. Now, what happens if you go a little overboard with your adjustments? Don't worry, you can always undo your styling. If things get messy, just select your text, go to the top menu, click on Text, and select Remove Manual Kerns. This will instantly reset everything to the default font positions. Remember, these shortcuts work whether you are using single-click text or clicked and drag text boxes. To keep as a quick reference, remember that T is your best friend for text, Alt plus arrows handles your spacing, and Ctrl plus Shift plus T opens your control panel. Experimenting with these settings is the best way to develop a professional eye for typography. I hope this walkthrough helps simplify your design workflow in Inkscape. If this video helped you conquer your text layout, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative software guides. Thanks for watching and happy designing!